Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jo. Today I am super excited. Last week I did an exchange with another crafter. Her channel is Not So Shabby Chic. I highly recommend that you check her out. And I just got my box in the mail today and I cannot wait to dig through it, and I just thought it would be fun if we all kind of got to see what all I got sent in exchange for one of my junk journal folios. So first there's this sweet card, and I'm just so excited and so thankful. This is such a cool thing. So right away, right on top, we have some super cute fabric with different farm animals and some trees and different things on it, some plants. Beautiful. And it's kind of like a heavy linen or a tapestry feel to it. Oh wait, this is like, oh how neat. Okay, this is like, I'm gonna have to lay this out and play with this, because it's stitched up like a curtain or a bag. But anyway, that's gonna be awesome later when I put that on a journal. And then there's some more fabric underneath, and this is regular thinner fabric, but it has beautiful gold accents and the green and the red. I am going to love using this on some Christmas journals this year. Oh my gosh, there's just so much stuff. Okay, I have to sit. I thought I was gonna do this standing up, but I'm too excited. So, okie dokie, I'll pull that back. Are we still? I didn't really check how I was lined up or anything, because I was just so excited to get this and just start playing. So, okay, so we have some real vintage ledger. I cannot even tell you how excited I am about this. It looks like January 1st, 1910. There are so many sheets here, guys. This is so awesome. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love. I have been searching and I have been trying to check like eBay and stuff for vintage ledger, things like that. And I haven't been super happy with the things that I received. So if you guys know of any like hack or any store or just a connection to where I can get some good vintage paper, ledger, things like that for my journals, oh my gosh, I would be forever grateful. So, okay, now we got to get in here and see what we got. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a whole stack of vintage pictures. Oh, these are neat. Oh, how cool. Oh, that is so cool. Now I have a lot of like the Tim Holtz ones, but they're not real. These are real. Oh, neat. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cool. You ever wonder if these people knew that we have their pictures now and we are putting them in journals as ephemera? You know, I think that they would love that. Like, look at that one. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. So many pictures. Oh, I love that one. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go through those later. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so we've got, oh, okay, so these were stamp books. Quality Stamps Saver book. Oh, how neat. Oh, that'll be so cool. Okay, neat. All right, and then we have some Work My Brain tabs, already pre-made tabs. Oh, and I love these colors. Here, let me pull some out and show you. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, how neat. Okay, and so yeah, they're tabs, but you can also use them as like spools. So, for example, I'm gonna put these away so I don't lose them, because everything is so nicely packaged. Okay, so I can, oh, they're two-sided too. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I can fold it in half, and then I have a tab that I would glue to a page, or you can take and you can wrap laces and different strings and baker's twine and stuff like that around these for safekeeping. So I am in love with these. I am so excited about these. I don't have a tab punch per se. I have a tab punch, but it's right here. It's one of these tab punches. And so it doesn't like do the double-sided unless you want to be real fancy with it. And I am just not very fancy. But that's the tab punch I have. But I would love to get my hands on one that does that. That is so cool. Oh, cool. So there's some hardware in here. I apologize if I say cool 100,000 times, but this is really cool. Oh, neat. Okay, so these are like old safety pins. Oh, wow. Oh, I love these. Okay, that'll be cool for some closures. Set that over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so well, let's go this way first. Okay, so then we have some time punch cards. Make sure I got them all. Okay, that's super cool. I don't have any of these, so that's really exciting. And then, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, how neat. These are like super, super old pictures. Oh, very vintage, very cool. Oh, I am so happy right now. I am so in my element, and I am just, oh, she's a nurse like me. That is so exciting. I'm in my element, and I am just ecstatic right now. Okay, and then on this side we have some, what are these? Oh, it's like a music card. That is so cool. Oh, there's a bunch of music cards. Okay. And then, okay, so I'm thinking these are like library, like the Dewey Decimal System. You know what I mean, the library card things. These will be awesome in journals. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then a couple of postcards. Super cool. Super, super cool. Okay. Oh, and here's more postcards. Oh, these are beautiful. And that's another thing. I have some that I purchased on, oh, good golly, on Amazon. Oh, I love that. But I don't have like any real ones. They're all like, I don't mean like real ones. They're obviously real ones, but I don't have any vintage ones or anything like that. So that is super cool. Oh, okay. Some, you know what they are. My brain's not working. I just worked a really long shift. The math cards, the arithmetic. It's gonna come to me later, and then I'm gonna beat myself up because I couldn't think of it. Oh, how neat. I think that's Gammy, and that is super cute because my kids, one of their grandmothers, they call Gammy. They have a Gammy and a Grammy, and I don't know how they keep them apart. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at these greeting cards. Super vintage, super cool. Oh, these are just, oh, that's a postcard. Okay. These are just beautiful. I was looking to see if there was a year on there. It looks like April. Oh, I just love this. I just love all of this. This is so neat. All the vintage stuff. I love all these old anniversary greeting cards. They're just, I mean, they're just really super cool to have. Oh, I love this. All the different ways to say Merry Christmas. How neat. Okay, let's set those to the side. I could just sit forever and with one thing because I'm just crazy like that. Look, there's more pictures and they're super thick. So they're like cards. How cool. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, so vintage too. I mean, just super, super nice. And then some library cards, which I don't have any of these either, so that's really exciting. And then, okay, looks like more postcards and just different images on them. So neat. And then more of those, where did I put those? I'll set those there. Of those hard photos. These are just so cool. My brain is going 90 to nothing thinking of the different ways that I can utilize these. They're just incredible. I wish they had years on them. I just think, I am just super impressed. And I go crazy because I look at these and I want to know their story. I want to know who she was. You know, these were real people. So neat. Okay, let's see what these are. Handcrafted with love. Okay, so there's several of these. So I'll open this one and we'll see if I'm gonna open more than one. Let's see. Oh, okay. So awesome. So it's just more of these hard pictures. Oh, so cool. I absolutely love these. Whoop. I'm just going to let that go right at the bottom. And try that again. Oh, how neat. And there's a bunch of them. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Set that there. I have a really, really bad habit of singing when I talk. So that's probably gonna happen a lot in my videos. I don't even think about it, so just disregard. All right, so I've got some doilies, which I have like zilch of, so this is way exciting for me because I have so many things that I want to do with doilies, and I just don't have them. I could technically make some, but where's the fun in that? That's exhausting. And I don't have a lot of time or patience for that matter. Oh, look at these other colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then we have some crocheted cloth here. That is so cool. I'm just thinking of all the cool things that I'm going to make. And then another one, kind of like doily for the coffee table. I know everybody's grandmother had one of these on their coffee table, and if you ever stayed to help clean house, which my favorite thing to do when I was a child, and emphasis on when I was a child, was to dust. I loved to take all of my grandmother's knickknacks off of her glass shelves and then clean them and dust, and it's the OCD, ADD part of me, I suppose. And but there were always doilies like that you had to move and set back unless you thought they needed to be washed, and then she would wash them. Oh, this is so awesome. All of these are little doilies. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Oh, she has spoiled me. Dale, thank you so, so much. I am just, look at these handkerchiefs. That image on there, that is so pretty. I am humbled by this. I truly, truly am. You have just completely and totally made my day. You probably made my entire week, which has been really rough. So coming home to this today was such a treat, and I'm very blessed. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the things that you saw, hit her up. She has a shop, and I know she's got a lot of stuff, and it's amazing. It is vintage perfection. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.